Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to learn another command that is known as conform command. This command is used to merge two different objects into one. Okay, so this command is usually used when we want to attach you can say linear shape onto an undulated shape like this. We are in the front of the screen. We are having a shape or like an terrain. It's like a ground shape, and we want to construct a road onto it. Okay, so how we are going to do this in the simplest way? We are going to do this with the help of conform command. Okay, so I have made this thing with the help of noise command. I have already told you in the previous lecture how the noise command is going to get used. So I'm going to press Alt W, then I'll go to the top screen. I'll select the top view and I'll click Alt view to make it full screen. I'll go to the first, that is create command, and onto shapes I'm going to select a plane and I'll draw a plane over it. This plane will be the road that we want to construct over it. Now I'll click Alt W and then I'll press W to open, or you can say to activate our move command. Then on the 3D view I will move it at the top of the this terrain. I'll keep it above that terrain shape. I'll change its color by clicking here, and you can give it any color. Let's say I'm going to give it a grayish color. I'll press OK. Then keeping that object selected, that road selected, go to the compound objectives, then click on this conform command. Here we are having pick wrap to object. Wrap to objects means the way we wrap a gift box, or the way we wrap a gift with the gift cover. It is same like that. If I click pick wrap to object, it will ask you for the object which we want to wrap. So I can go and I can click that terrain that we have just made. I'll click on this and then we will wait for a second. It will wrap onto it. So this is how it is going to get wrapped onto it. Okay, but now you can see there are some patches of colors everywhere because this whole thing is patched up on it. So on the right hand side, by keeping that thing selected, right hand side, go to the down option, that is the option hide right wrap to object. If you right click it, it will change the surface and it will look and precisely all over it. I'll click Alt W to make it full screen. By pressing middle mouse and Alt, I can draw it. But you can see somewhere the edges are quite up and they are not actually touching the surface. For this, you can go to the standoff distance and you can create this. You can write 0 at this place. If I press 0, now it will change something. Now you can see it is kind of very stick to the surface, but the surface is going to show up. You need some kind of thickness. So for that, you can use the shell command that we have used in the previous video. Keeping that selected, go into this modify section. In the modifier list, go to the shell command. The moment you select shell, the road will have a thickness. You can now decrease and increase the thickness from here. Okay, I'll give it some kind of thickness, and you can increase the segments for the later on things. Okay, so this is how you can make an object and you can stick that object onto another object. Okay, and it is usually for the irregular objects. Okay, so this is all for this video. So this command was the conform command. Okay, give it a try and please let me know if you stuck somewhere.